Hey there, TriMech clients. We're back here on the floor at SOLIDWORKS World 2018, and we're talking to George from EMWorks. So, George, how's the show going for you guys? Pretty good?
Yeah, hello. I'm George. The show is going great for us. So we have a lot of people stopping by at our booth. We're telling them what we're doing. We also see the great stuff around what's happening here. It's fantastic.
Excellent. Well, so TriMech partners with EMWorks, and George had an analysis up on the screen here. And would it be possible for you just to walk me through what's going on here?
So one thing, we have done several things. One thing we've done is the 2D integration in 3D models.
Okay.
So basically what you see here is actually a 3D model. It's created inside SolidWorks.
Okay.
You can solve that in 3D, is working fine. But some problems like this one, is symmetric in Z direction.
Okay.
So basically the solution, every section is the same.
Okay.
So a user can now set up a 2D solution, which goes very fast. So now we selected this plane, solving that problem in the 2D plane.
Okay.
So
wow.
that's very fast, for example, for motor applications.
Yes, exactly.
They want fast solutions.
Sure.
So what's new about it is the integration 2D and 3D in one study, in one model.
Wow, that's amazing.
That's one thing we've done.
Yeah, that's amazing, George. Well, we're really excited to see our clients benefit from this. Thank you so much for your time.
I thank you.